Are you videoing?
Hello guys!
Just only from walking street.
Video, yeah.
Ilang na censored ako na mo.
Georgia today not been?
What's up?
Georgia.
George, no,
Not today.
not today.
I haven't seen Georgie go.
Huh?
I haven't seen Georgie go.
No, in the Mikas today maybe play.
Oh, okay.
Pwede
Very
daw.
full.
Without mediation.
It's good.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, nice again, sir.
I don't know who will go to bar if they say bad words. I don't understand. SS bar bad words say also. Already not working. Zeus bar, Camelot before. Yes, not easy to work here. now we already in the CDC Park. In Balibago, little bit start rain, but don't have in the Clark rain, but I bring umbrella. But Shira found some key, show. Yes, we parking here, and he seen in the road key, and she want to give to the security guard. Yeah, we found here key. She want to find the security guard. How? Have security? This is parking is okay, have space, but we try to park near cafe shop. Tom Tom's don't have space. Cannot walk with me because she want to find security guard and give key. I will walk. Here event in CDC Park. I will show to you, I will walk and show to you the event. Many people today. I hope don't have rain, but I have umbrella. With umbrella it's okay, not problem. Even have rain. Drinking station, take a look. Drinking station, you can take water, refill your bottle also. And with CR. Christmas tree. So many decoration here in CDC Park. Take a look how to looking now. Office of CDC Park. Fireworks today. I will go to this way now. This is event. That's why I cannot good park, don't have space parking. And many people filming firework. Take a look how now. So many decoration in the park. And maybe already open coffee shop. Maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow we will take video inside. Here event. Oh, already start little bit rain. That's why I need to go to find Shira. And we're going to home because I don't want to be wet. I don't know what kind of event here. I don't know. Maybe some company, maybe Christmas party company. I don't know. Smoking area have. Yeah, I think it's company. I see Shira seat. Hi, Shaira.
Hello.
Okay, you already.
No, I need to wait.
You need to wait. If he come back only after 3 hours, you want to wait? Shaira, not need to wait. Just put here.
I give already in the security guard.
If you give to security guard, okay.
Yes. Maybe they will find it.
Okay, Shaira, not need to find.
But can I go first?
Okay. Shaira won't go to CR. A little bit starting rain, but we will go to home right now. Yes, okay, let's go. She say to driver about Kay.
Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, like.
Subscribe, like. Okay.
Subscribe and like. Salamat.
Okay. Let's go. Урод, say in Russian bad word. Why you say it in Russian language bad word?
Why I need to say in Tagalog?
It's not so bad word. Урод is like not good looking person. Урод. Sometimes I say to our cat, what урод, what you doing? No,
Like
it's
annoying only.
yes, don't worry.
I know.